I'm sure you've heard of smart plugs for home automation, but have you heard of a smart power strip? Today, let's take a look at this one from Teckin. This is the SS30N Smart Power Strip. It has 4 electrical outlets and there's also 4 USB ports. It looks just like a regular power strip, but it can be controlled remotely with a smartphone. For setup, just plug it in to power it up. Now press and hold the power button down until the Wi-Fi light blinks quickly. The Teckin Power Strip works with the Smart Life app, which I've already installed on my phone. Inside the app, tap on the plus button on the top right. Then, in the device list, select Wi-Fi Power Strip. Now with the LED still blinking, I'll tap on the blue button at the bottom. Here, I'll make sure that my phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz network and then I'll enter a Wi-Fi password. And just so you know, this next part can take over a minute to connect. I've sped up the video here so you won't have to wait, but the app will tell you when the device has been added. And here you can see the controls for all the outlets in the strip. Each of the 4 individual outlets can be controlled independently of each other, and there's a master button to turn all of them on or off at the same time. However, the USB ports do not have individual control. They all turn on or off together. One of the best uses for this power strip is to control lamps from a phone. And you can set timers for each plug so they can be scheduled independently. Each outlet can also be renamed for easier identification. And the Teckin Power Strip can be controlled anywhere in the world. There's even voice control through Alexa and other voice assistants. To set up Alexa, tap on the hamburger menu at the top left, then select Skills and Games. Now do a search for the Smart Life skill. It's the one with the blue house icon. I already had mine set up months ago, but just follow the on-screen instructions on your phone from here. And now it's ready for voice control.
Smart Power Strip on. Smart Power Strip off.
It works quite well, but here are some quirks I want to tell you about. On Alexa, you can only control the whole strip and not the individual outlets or USB ports through voice control. If you want manual control, the power button on the front will also turn everything on or off at the same time. But it would have been nice to have power buttons for each outlet for local control. The last quirk about the strip is that it doesn't have any mounting holes on the back to attach this to a wall. Other than that, the Teckin Smart Power Strip is a great addition for any home automation, and the setup is really easy even for beginners. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.